Work energy theorem. The topic is work energy theorem. Okay. Work energy theorem. Right. Now we know that when the work is done on the body, okay, when work is done on the body by a force, by applying a force on that body, then we know that whatever its initial kinetic energy, it get increases, right? If a body is in motion and if we are applying a force on the body along the direction of motion, then we find that the kinetic energy of the body increases. Depending on this situation, the work energy theorem is introduced. Here in this work energy theorem, only statement is important. No mathematical proof. Proof is not there in the ICSE. To whole syllabus, not only for this chapter, but for the whole syllabus there is no proof. Okay, कोई भी proof ICSE में नहीं पूछा जाता है. So only the statement is important. What is that? Work energy theorem. The work done by a body. Okay, the work done by a force applied on the body. Sorry, force applied on moving body is equal to increase in its kinetic energy. Means I can say W is equal to kinetic energy final minus kinetic energy initial. Kinetic energy final is half of mv square minus kinetic energy initial means half of mu square. Initial means initial velocity u, v final velocity. So half of mv square minus half of mu square. So this is the relation for work energy theorem. Okay, work done on the moving body is nothing but the difference between their final and initial kinetic energy, right? Because any body which is moving and the force is applied along the direction of the force, then we find that there is increase in its kinetic energy, and that is nothing but work done by the force, right? फोर्स ही नहीं लगाया होता तो उसका जो भी कोई काइनेटिक एनर्जी वही काइनेटिक एनर्जी में वो रहता था, बट फोर्स लगाने की वजह से काइनेटिक एनर्जी बढ़ गया. सो व्हाट विल बी द वर्क डन? वर्क एनर्जी थ्योरम, वी आर अप्लाइंग द एनर्जी, राइट? सो व्हाट वर्क विल डन मोर. So here we can say there is that work done is nothing but the difference between their final kinetic energy and initial kinetic energy. So I can say that W means work done on the body is nothing but increase in its kinetic energy. Increase in its kinetic energy. So this statement also you can give. Okay. No proof. That I told you before only. Proof की कोई जरूरी नहीं है, यहाँ पर कोई भी proof की जरूरी नहीं है क्योंकि ICSE proof नहीं पूछती है. Okay. Next. Forms of kinetic energy. Different forms of kinetic energies are there. Okay, forms of kinetic energy. First form is translational kinetic energy. Translational kinetic energy. Okay, I can say that when body is moving in a straight line, or the motion of the body in a straight line is known as translational kinetic energy. Okay, body जब एक ही straight line में जाएगी तो हम कहेंगे translational kinetic energy उसको मिल रही है, right? Motion of body in straight line path. Okay, straight line path. So a ball is there, okay, which is rolling on the ground, okay, rolling on the ground in a straight line path, then we can say it has a translational kinetic energy. Okay, so for example, ball rolling on ground in straight line path. So this is one of the example that suggests us the body possesses a translational energy. Second example, I can give free fall body. Okay, second example, free fall body. Any body which is leaving from the height, it goes toward the ground, right, due to a gravitational pull, and that is also what a straight line path fall, a straight line motion, okay, acquired by the body. So here we can say it also possesses a translational kinetic energy. Now, what is second form? Rotational kinetic energy. A motion of body moving in a circular path, okay, about its own axis, okay, उसके एक्सिस से वो क्या करेगी, मूविंग करेगी. सो यहाँ पे हमने पाइवट कर दिया और मूविंग अराउंड द पाइवट. सो दिस इज an example. So I can give example of the wheel, car wheel, rather you can say car wheel, say rather cycle tire. Okay, cycle, while you are bicycling, you can find that the tire is moving in a circular path, right? Circular path से वो घूमता है about its axis, means एक्सेल के along वो घूमता है. So that is an example. ओके, जायंट व्हील जो उसके ऊपर आप बैठते हो तो वो भी झूला होता है बड़ा, वो झूला भी ऐसे ही घूमता है देखो. ओके, ऊपर से नीचे तक ऐसे आके जाता है. ओके, रोटेशनल पाथ हो गया. सो दैट इज नथिंग बट अ रोटेशनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी फॉर्म, राइट. एंड थर्ड फॉर्म इज अ वाइब्रेशनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी. वाइब्रेशनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी, व्हाट इज दिस? Actually, it is a to and fro motion of body about its mean position जो होगी वहां से वो क्या कर रहा है, रोटेट कर रहा है. ओके, टू एंड फ्रो आता जाता है, राइट. सीविंग मशीन नीडल जो होता है, वो नीडल जो है वो नीडल मशीन की कैसे होती है, टू एंड फ्रो अबाउट इट्स मीन एक्सिस. ये समझो मीन एक्सिस है उसका, ये मीन एक्सिस है. तो वो क्या होता है, टू एंड फ्रो ऊपर नीचे इस तरीके से टू एंड फ्रो होता है सेविंग मशीन नीडल. ओके, सो दैट इज एन गुड एग्जांपल. सेविंग मशीन नीडल possesses which type of energy? Vibrational kinetic energy, right? These are the different forms of kinetic energy. Then work energy theorem statement. Now we are going to see energy convergence, different forms of energy. अलग अलग फॉर्म कौन से एनर्जी के वो हम देखेंगे. ओके,